The world of computer graphics, the door to the future of graphic art, design, and manufacturing. And on the leading edge of this new technology is Vectrix, the computer graphics company. Vectrix was incorporated in the state of North Carolina in May 1982. Originally founded with the intention to make sophisticated, high-resolution color graphics affordable on a broad basis, Vectrix has quickly become a technological leader providing professional quality graphics to all levels of the computer industry. Located in Greensboro, North Carolina, and headed by William D. Waller, a 20-year veteran of the computer industry, Vectrix Corporation continues to enhance its position at the forefront of emerging technology. Vectrix graphics products have a wide variety of applications. Among the most useful is CAD/CAM, as illustrated by these samples done with AutoCAD. Or this animated image of a piston. And this demonstration of microchip design. Other applications include weather satellite mapping, medical imaging, like this CAT scan image, or this artist's conception of red blood cells and blood platelets magnified thousands of times in size, or scientific imaging, like this animated version of a distillation process. The graphic arts field is greatly enhanced by the ability to rapidly generate business graphics, word slides, and high-quality illustrations, such as these fine examples shown here. The first series of Vectrix products introduced in 1982 were the VX128 and VX384 series. Looking like smart printers, the processors were designed to interface with all computers via the printer port. Utilizing up to 9-bit planes, they provide an onboard library of graphics primitives, including 2D and 3D viewing transformations, scaling, and rotations accessed through a simple-to-use command language, which is both operating system and programming language independent. With 512 simultaneously displayable colors from a palette of up to 16.8 million, at a screen resolution of 672 by 480, these processors represented a significant price-performance breakthrough. Market enthusiasm was quickly followed by widespread acceptance as Vectrix products earned a reputation for quality and reliability. By late 1983, Vectrix had more than doubled in size. Technical personnel experienced in the development of graphics firmware and onboard intelligence brought their expertise to bear on the development of the next generation of product, the VX PC board set. The VX PC board set brought professional quality graphics to the personal computer level. Using custom electronics, the Intel 80188 microprocessor, and the NEC 7220 VLSI graphics controller chip, the board incorporates all of the functionality of the VX384A in a 2-card set, which fits directly into the personal computer. The Vectrix engineers increased the speed of the VX PC over the VX384A by 20%. Hardware zoom and pan were added to the onboard graphics library. Additional new features were light pen support, an MS-DOS driver, and full emulation of the IBM color card. With 512 simultaneously displayable colors, the board set is available with a standard 4096 color palette or an optional 16.8 million palette. With clipping, run length encoding, color dithering, and more, the VX PC board set was quickly recognized by a variety of software vendors who rapidly added Vectrix support to their application's software packages. In the CAD/CAM market, these include AutoCAD from Autodesk Incorporated, MicroCAD from Imagimedia Technologies, Caesar 7 from the University of Berkeley, and Vivid from the Research Triangle Institute of Chapel Hill, North Carolina. In the business graphics marketplace, Data Plotting Corporation of Canada supports Vectrix drivers for its DPICT package, as does Enertronics Corporation for its Energraphics business software. In the field of seismic analysis, Earth Technology of Houston, Texas interfaced its Ondo graphics package with the VXPC. For artists and graphic designers, American Graphics Engineering of Boston has recently announced sophisticated Vectrix IBM-based graphics software called Optima that provides the user with multifaceted object-based software. Real-time object editing, rotations, and deletions can be performed, as well as a variety of other innovative features designed to manipulate object geometry. A number of emulation packages have followed suit. GKS from Nova International, Tektronix 4010 emulation, DEC VT100 emulation, and a SIGGRAPH core library from Advanced Technology Center. Vectrix Corporation offers sophisticated paint program software for use with IBM personal computers in conjunction with either the VXPC board set or the VX384A graphics processor. This package permits the user to draw on a graphics tablet in much the same way an artist paints on an easel or drawing board. It features the user-friendly and highly popular icon menu and sophisticated functions and shape tables, such as filled and non-filled rectangle draw, circle draw, splines, triangle draw, and rubber banding. There is even an airbrush feature with several different spray sizes. The user can create filled and non-filled custom-designed shapes or brushes, and cut and paste portions of any graphic, duplicate it repeatedly, save it as a separate image file, and call it up from disk for use in another graphic image. The software includes a shrink feature, a utility that will reduce the vertical and horizontal size of an image to the user's specifications. It can then be saved as an image file and used again at a later time. The VXPC version takes advantage of the hardware zoom and pan features, making it easier for the user to define details in complex illustration work. In the fall of 1984, Vectrix further expanded its product line with the introduction of a video system. This includes an NTSC video encoder, which converts the standard RGB signal from a Vectrix device to RS-170A NTSC standard, thus permitting recording output to any video deck. A video enhancement module is available to further enhance image quality, an important application when making 35mm slides with a film recorder. The next logical step was video input. In early 1985, Vectrix engineers created a video capture and enhancement system. This hardware-firmware system provides a variable-sized movable window for use in adjusting tint, brightness, and contrast controls for video images captured to the Vectrix VXPC frame buffer. These images can then be retained and enhanced using the Vectrix paint program. The applications of this feature are virtually endless. Vectrix recently announced the new line of second-generation graphics processors. Called Pepe, it is designed for the IBM personal computer marketplace. These new products feature resolution of 1024 by 1024, both addressable and viewable, and support a 60 Hz non-interlaced color video or monochrome display. Special features include a hardware line generator based on a digital differential analyzer, a custom graphics processor supporting 15+ internal graphics commands, an onboard character generator for terminal overlay, and 16-bit data path for IBM PCAT compatibility. With line drawing speeds up to 60,400 pixel lines per second, the product is especially suited to CAD/CAM and other applications requiring very high drawing speeds. A number of bitplane and color lookup table configurations are available, including 4-bit plane configurations generating either 16 fixed colors or 16 selectable colors from a palette of 4096, an 8-bit plane configuration featuring double buffering, 4 planes at a time, an 8-bit plane configuration generating 256 colors from a palette of 16.8 million, and a 12-bit plane configuration with 4096 displayable colors. Assembly and C language libraries are available for the Pepe card set. This new product line includes a VDI driver which is compatible with and interfaces the unit with the IBM Virtual Device Library. Applications compatible with the VDI standard will operate with the new card set. Also available is an IBM emulator, processing standard IBM cursor commands and functions through Interrupt Vector 10. In this mode, the card set can function as a single monitor workstation, supporting all software compatible with IBM PC-DOS BIOS. In addition to the development of leading-edge graphics products, Vectrix has established a sales distribution network in the United States, opening regional offices in Atlanta, Chicago, Dallas, Philadelphia, and San Diego. In addition, Vectrix Corporation has implemented an ongoing program to recruit international distributors. Current distributors sell Vectrix products in Australia, Canada, China, New Zealand, Switzerland, West Germany, and the United Kingdom. This combination of quality products, experienced management, and effective distribution, coupled with focused, high-exposure advertising and promotion, has positioned Vectrix Corporation for a period of high growth and sustained profitability in the exciting world of sophisticated computer graphics.